Hi, good morning everybody. Today we're gonna present a Photoshop selective color with Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so our first slide is our challenge. Our challenge is to explore the layering feature in Photoshop to create black and white image with color elements. Our second slide, selective color technique. A selective color image is one that combines both black and white and color elements. Selective color can be an effective processing technique for emphasizing one element color in a photograph. This picture shows a thing that we do, so change the colors and make it in black and white, and the things goes different colors. Fun aspects. The fun aspects was that me and my partner we could not find the application of selective color technique. Color versus black and white. White color photography has been available for several decades. Many artists continue to photograph in black and white, whereas color images show the world as we see it. Many artists feel that black and white can be more effective in communication, emotion, and artists. With digital editing, the same image can be easily processed color or black and white, or even both color black and white. The decision of whether to use color black and white or combination depends on how you want your photo to look. Photograph history. The first photographs were all monochrome, meaning one color black and white photographs are the most common form of monochrome photography. They can also contain a tone or hue, like brown, color, sepia, red, green, or blue. The photochemical process was advanced by another French inventor, Louis Daguerre. He took the first picture of a person in 1839. Using his invention, the daguerreotype, auto-inventor experiment with color photographs since the mid-19th century. Almost all photographs were monochrome until color film became commercially available in 1935. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this.